Oh, hello there. I am Aarush Jaiswal, a sophomore at Fisher's High School, Indiana, and I'm excited to introduce you to StudyCraft, an app I've developed to revolutionize your study experience. With StudyCraft, you can customize your study sessions based on your unique schedule, set your bedtime, study start time, and the number of tasks you have for the day. StudyCraft engages with you during your study session. You can update your progress at intervals. For example, you can mark 50% complete for task 1, 40% for task 2, and 30% for task 3. The main feature which stands out in StudyCraft are the numbers in the right. As we can see, task 1 has 60, task 5 has 120. That's running but the time allocated for each task. It is calculated by the minutes left until bedtime and the percentages the user has inputted. Task 1 has 60. Why? Because the user already completed half of the task, while task 4 and 5 has 120 because the user didn't even start them. StudyCraft also tells them how much time they have to put in order to complete their task. As for example, task 2 has 72 minutes left, so as per the current pace, the user can complete the task 2 in 72 more minutes. If they can't, they can always come back and update their percentages on that time. The app will recalculate all the time allocated and output it back to you. So before we dive into StudyCraft's more features, let's see what's under the hood. StudyCraft is powered by two key components, Thunkable and Google Spreadsheets. Thunkable is a place where you can input and receive data, which is providing the user interference. But the real magic happens, which is in the Thunkable, there's a feature named as blocks. Blocks helps us to connect Thinkable and Google Spreadsheets. These blocks capture and store the user input, such as topics and descriptions. They also retrieve present data from the database to Thinkable, which creates the user-friendly output you see on our screen, including task titles, completion percentages, allocated times, statuses, remaining times, and the number of tasks left. StudyCraft's purpose is simple: to make your study sessions more efficient and productive. I have developed StudyCraft using Thunkable for the front end and various spreadsheets for the back end, which ensures a sleek and reliable experience. So, join me on this journey of enhancing study habits with StudyCraft. Let's make each study session more efficient and productive.